Good evening, 10th class students. So today we are going to discuss electronic spreadsheet question answers which are important for your board exam. In the last session, which was live, we have seen the PDF of NCERT, all the topics we have done through that. Now today we will discuss the question answers so that you are very clear with this chapter as well. Okay, so let's do some question answers starting with CBSE education.com. Let me paste the link in the chat box. This site is very So first topic was consolidation of the data. So what is consolidating data? Whatever the concepts or topics are there, you should know what is the definition and what is the use of that particular topic. For example, table of content. Why do we use it? What is that? Define it. So these kinds of questions are there. As I told you, data consolidation, again, just have a look on this line, the very first line that summarize the data consolidation tool summarize data from multiple worksheets workbook into a single worksheet or master worksheet. Okay, then you don't have to write this. Consolidation allows the content of cell from many sheets to be consolidated at one location. The next question is, what is subtotal? Subtotal adds data in an array. This is important. That is collection of cells with columns and rows labels. Then you can apply statistical functions, sum, average, max, min, to find the subtotal, and to maximize the efficiency, you can have three sets of arrays. Next question is, what is goal seek? Goal seek, the act of determining your input value based on previously determined output. Means you already have a goal, you are just looking for a value which will fulfill your goal. Means मुझे अगर I have to score 100 and my score right now is 50, so how much more I need 50 more, right? So that is how you can write the example. But see over here, they also have given the example. This is also important. This specifies the cell whose value will be changed to the desired value after the goal seek operation is completed. Example, they have given Jack received 25 out of 30 in English and 22 out of 30 in math. And in order to calculate the score in IT, he needs to acquire overall score of 85%. So his goal is to achieve 85%. So how many marks he need to score in IT? This question can be answered using goal seek because he has to find the marks only in one subject. So there you can use goal seek. If you have more than one subject, there you have to use solver. This is what we have discussed yesterday. Then scenario. Scenario is a tool which answer your what if questions. This is important. What if scenario. Each scenario has a unique name and it can be changed by you. Only the content of the active, this is again important, active scenario is printed if you are printing that worksheet. And sorry, a scenario is essentially a set of saved values that you may use in your calculation. Then through navigator also you can switch between the scenarios. Next is, what is solver? It is again advanced version of goal seek. The solver on the other hand deals with equations with several unknown values, okay, variables. So and again this is it has got all three important lines, so you can learn this answer by heart. Maximize, if you find like it is meant to maximize and minimize the result based on set of rules that you specify. For example, you have set a rule that I want marks more than 80 in this subject, and I want like in IT I want more than 90 or less between 80 to 90. So this is how you can set the rules. Then difference between relative and absolute hyperlink, again important. So this we have discussed yesterday as well. So learn it from here. How can we rename the worksheet? We have done it practically also, or again, if you want a detailed video, you can visit my channel and go to that particular playlist of electronic spreadsheet advanced. Um, then next one is how can you, what is the advantage of sharing the worksheet? So why do we share the worksheet? To speed the data entry. Okay, so suppose if I have a lot of work to do, I have to work with 12 sheets and I have to complete them within 1 hour. I can share it with others so that they can also work in the at the same time. I can divide my work with my colleagues. So for speed up of data entering, then two, for collaboration purposes, for reviewing. Okay, so and now record changes. Why do we use this record change option? See, if I'm sharing the worksheet with others and if they are making the changes in that, suppose I have done my work and then I have given it to one of my friend to review it, to see whether everything is okay or not. So if he or she is reviewing the worksheet and he finds something to be edited or something to be deleted, something to be added, he or she has done that. How would you come to know that that particular change has been done by the other user? So if you want to see that, you have to enable the record changes option. What will happen after enabling this option? Whatever the changes other users will do, they will be highlighted with the red color border. Okay, so you, when the worksheet will come to you after the changes, you could see those red color borders, and it is also having the red, comment, which will tell you what is the change done by that person. Okay, a color border appear around the cell, and with dot in the upper left corner will also help you to tell you key what is the change, whether the content has been changed, whether it is added or it has been deleted, something like this. Then comments are use they are added by the reviewers or authors to explain the changes that they have done. Then how can we add the comment to the changes made? You see, if you have enabled the option of record changes, automatically comments are added when there is change in content or something is changed in that spreadsheet. But if you want to add the edit the comment, then you have to select the cell, then you'll go to edit changes comment, and then that box will appear, the comment box will appear where you can type your comment, and then you have to click on OK. Then what is accepting and rejecting changes? Now after reviewing the worksheet, the other users, from other users, after getting their work, your work done from other users, you can because you are the owner, so you have the authority to accept the changes done by them or to reject the changes done by them. This can be done by, if you go to edit changes accept and reject option, it will show you a dialog box where all the changes will be there. It will tell you what are the changes done by them. Then you can accept them one by one, or you can accept them all, or you can reject them one by one and reject them all. Okay, let me show you if your book is there. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Let me see if somebody has written any doubt in the comment. So okay, now let's see this one. Mm, we were discussing about accept and reject changes, right? Hmm. So you can view the changes done by others by going to edit changes show, and then you can view the changes based on some date or based on the user. You can see the changes in a particular range also. So these are different criterias or the filters with which you can see the changes in your spreadsheet. Date, author, range, comment, show accepted changes. It will show you only the changes that you have accepted. Similarly, show rejected changes. Okay, so this is the dialog box which I was talking about. So this will show you the action. For example, change content in the sheet and the cell also, the position. Then who has done, author means who has done this change, the date and time. And the comment means it is detailed, this is a detailed information about what is the change. If it is being, the content has been changed or it is the content has been added or removed. So this will help you to, so in case you want to say, this is the selected one. If you want to accept this, you have to click on accept, or you can click on reject, then accept all if you want to accept all the changes, and then reject all the same way, right? So the beauty of record changes is when you receive the worksheet with changes, now you can go through each change and can, as an original author, because you are the owner of the worksheet, so you can decide which how to proceed with the changes, whether you want to accept them or reject them. Then macros. What are macros? Again, very important. How do we record the macro? It's a same, set of operation that are completed repeatedly, such as formatting, applying some formulas. So macros save time. Then they can be reused any number of times. Okay. So to record the macro, you have to put the data and you have to go to tools, macro record macro option. The macro option is in tools menu, and then you have to click on record macro. So the dialog box will appear. Let me show you the dialog box. This is the dialog box will appear, and whenever you are done with your commands, with your work, you have to click on stop recording. Okay. So I have done with this one. Let's start with any other website. Let's discuss some question answers from there also. Okay, so let's see this one. How can we rename the worksheets? The same way, by double clicking on the sheet tab and then type the name, right click on the sheet and then choosing the rename option. Okay, then how to reference the cells. There are two ways: by directly entering the formula or the address with the keyboard, or by clicking with the mouse. I have done this yesterday. You can have a look on the previous stream, or you can go to my channel and see over there the detailed video. Differentiate between relative and absolute, same question. And this external data, how to use external data, please go to my channel and see that video in that playlist. And what is the purpose of adding comment? Same. How can we add the comment to the changes made? Again, the same option. You have to select the cell, then you have to go to edit changes comment, then type your comment and click on OK. Then what are macros? How can we record the macro? Again, tools, you have to go to tools, macros, record macro, open, then you have perform all the action that you want to record in the macro. Then you once you are done, you have to click on stop recording. The dialog box will appear where you can save the macro and then run it any number of time. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. At the bottom of each worksheet window is a small tab that indicate the name of the worksheet in the workbook. A cell reference refers to the cell or a range of cells in the worksheet. Then spreadsheet software can find changes by comparing or by merging also. You can write that also. Macros are useful to repeat a task number of times. So this one is done. Let me see any other one so that we can quickly wind up, because you have to focus on other subjects as well. Okay, these are the MCQs. Again, there are 24 MCQs in your board exam, so they are really very important. Okay, so try to do the MCQs as well, side by side. Dash allows you to gather the data from different worksheet into master worksheet. Again, data consolidation. Consolidation option is in data menu. Okay, just learn this one. Let's show you once more what are the options which are there in data menu. So this is your data menu. There are two options which are there in the data menu. Rest every other option is in tools menu. So you have defined range option, you have subtotal, you have multiple operations, and consolidate. Three you have to learn: consolidate, multiple operations, sort, no, defined range. And then in tools menu, what you have to learn? You have to learn goal seek, solver, and scenario. Then share document also. This is also important. Share document, merge document. So what you have, and macros. So in this one, you can see tools, record macro. Once you save, you can run the macro from here. Okay, so in the tools menu, you have macros. You have to learn macros. Gallery option is not also there, but it is not being mentioned there. Then share document, merge document option, scenario, solver, and goal seek. In data menu, you have defined range, subtotal, multiple operation, consolidate. Then in edit menu, there are so many you have to learn. Actually, basically changes, edit changes, record, and then compare document, then edit changes, accept and reject, show changes. Okay, so all the options are in edit menu and changes. In the changes, you have record, show changes, accept and reject, and comments whenever you want to edit the comment. And then merge document is also in edit menu. So these three menu are important: edit menu, tools menu, and data menu. Okay, so data can be consolidated from two sheets only? No, we can have any number of worksheets. We can consolidate data by row level and column level, or both of the above. We can consolidate by both of them. Which of the following functions are available in consolidate? Max, min, count, all of them. In which option we have to specify the target range, like हमें अपना consolidate data कौन सी range कहाँ पे चाहिए. So that is copy result 2, not target range. So don't confuse, it is copy result 2. Okay. If you select dash, then any value modified in the source range are automatically updated in the target range. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, लिंक टू सोर्स डेटा, दैट इज लिंक टू सोर्स डेटा, लिंक टू शीट, लिंक टू ओरिजिनल, लिंक टू सोर्स रेंज, ये नहीं करना, लिंक टू सोर्स डेटा इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो कंफ्यूजिंग ऑप्शन आपको दिए जाएंगे, यू हैव टू लर्न देम प्लीज़. इसलिए जो डायलॉग बॉक्स में मैंने आपको कल बताया था कि सारे ऑप्शन बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, उनको एक बार आप ढंग से लर्न कर लो कि कौन डायलॉग बॉक्स में क्या क्या ऑप्शन हैं, क्योंकि इस तरीके से कंफ्यूज करने के लिए आपको आएंगे. Okay, which option is used to name the range of cells? So that is not range name cell range. We have learned about defined range. It was in data menu, right? Defined range option is in data menu, right? The text or the row label and column name must be identical, otherwise new row and column will be inserted. Yes, that's true. Subtotal dash data arranged in an array, that is group of cells. तो add कर देता है subtotal, ठीक है. Subtotal is in data menu, right? Subtotal we can select up to dash group of array. 3 कर सकते हैं ना, 3 मैंने आपको कल बताया था कि 3 हमारे पास 3 कैटेगरीज हो सकती हैं, ठीक है. Then identify the correct sequence. First open subtotal window and then select the data from where we need to apply. First select data and then subtotal. Yesterday we have seen this thing. Until unless you select the data, आपका subtotal window appear नहीं होगा. So you have to first select the data. Okay. Scenario are the tool to test what if questions. Each scenario has a name. Yes. Scenario option is available in tools menu. Okay, tools. When we print the spreadsheet, only content of active scenario is printed. That's true. We can shift from one scenario to another by a navigator, right? We can create 3 scenarios for a given range of cells. No, we can create any number of scenarios. So that is false. Which option is suitable to calculate the effect of different interest rate on an investment? अगर आपको different interest rate रखना है एक इन्वेस्टमेंट पे, तो आप उसके लिए आप सिनेरियो क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है. ये इसके लिए भी मैंने वीडियो पूरा डिटेल में बनाया हुआ है, आपकी एनसीईआरटी के एग्जांपल्स लेके उसको देख सकते हैं मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में. डिफ़ॉल्ट नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट सिनेरियो इज शीट 1 एंड सिनेरियो 1. ओके, शीट 1 सिनेरियो 1. दिस सेम. Okay, now there is an hyphen, so this hyphen is not there. It is sheet 1 scenario 1. Okay, this is there, sorry. Sheet 1 scenario 1, the hyphen is there. Learn it. That's what it is so much confusing. To select random multiple cell, you have to hold down the control key. देखो, अगर मुझे सपोज रैंडम सेल सेलेक्ट करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये वाला सेल सेलेक्ट करना है और ये वाला करना है, तो मुझे कंट्रोल की होल्ड करनी पड़ती है, तभी आपके सेल सेलेक्ट होंगे. अगर आप कंटिन्यूस सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो उसके लिए आपको शिफ्ट की प्रेस करनी है, ठीक है. अदरवाइज आप कंट्रोल की से रैंडम सेल सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. वो सी इज इन टूल्स मेन्यू. कमेंट इन क्रिएट सिनेरियो डायलॉग बॉक्स इज ऑप्शनल, दैट्स ट्रू. वी कैन गिव डिफरेंट कलर्स टू डिफरेंट सिनेरियो, येस वी कैन. डैश इज मोर एलेबोरेट फॉर्म ऑफ गोल सी. गोल सी का एलेबोरेटेड फॉर्म कौन सा है? सॉल्वर. ओके, सॉल्वर इज इन टूल्स मेन्यू. We can link one worksheet to another worksheet. Yes. We can not insert more sheet in the spreadsheet. That is false. We can insert any number of worksheets. When you open a new worksheet, the default name is sheet 1, right? This is the one, sheet 1. Not this one. The space is not there. By default, sheet tabs are present at the bottom, right? We can insert the new sheet in Calc by clicking on Insert menu. Which of the following element are there in Insert sheet dialog box? After, before, number of sheets, all of the above. ये सारे थे आपके, ठीक है, Insert sheet में. I'll just show you. जैसे कि सपोज मैं यहाँ से Insert menu में जा रही हूँ and then we have Insert sheet option. तो अब ये देखो, बिफोर, आफ्टर, न्यू शीट, नंबर ऑफ शीट्स, फ्रॉम फाइल, ये सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. और मैंने आपको कल ये भी बताया था कि अगर फ्रॉम फाइल एंड लिंक, इन दोनों का क्या रिलेशन है. ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट दैट शीट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्प्रेडशीट. कितनी शीट्स होती हैं आपकी? बाय डिफॉल्ट 3. वी कैन रीनेम अ न्यू शीट. हाउ कैन वी रीनेम द न्यू शीट? व्हाइल इंसर्टिंग द न्यू शीट. और आफ्टर इंसर्टिंग अ न्यू शीट, तो दोनों केसेस में आप कर सकते हो रीनेम, ठीक है. सो बोथ ऑफ द अबव. We can rename an existing worksheet in Calc by double clicking on one of the existing sheet, by right clicking on the existing sheet and then choose the rename option. This is the correct one. Formula to refer cell A3 in the sheet S1 is, अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो शीट का नाम होता है ना वो पहले वो आता है, उसके बाद डॉट सेल एड्रेस. सो एक्चुअली सिंगल कोट्स होते हैं, इसने डबल कोट दिया है, तो नन ऑफ द अबव होना चाहिए इसका आंसर, बट इसने ये दिया है. जब भी आप सेल का रेफरेंस देते हो ना, तो पहले आई जस्ट शो यू. सपोज करो मुझे यहाँ पे मैंने 56 लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, और अब मुझे इस सेल को यूज़ करना है किसी और शीट में. अभी ये शीट 4 है और सेल है A2, तो अगर मैं इसको कहीं और यूज़ करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है, इसमें कोई वैल्यू ऐड करना चाहती हूँ, तो इसका एड्रेस देखना आप कैसे आएगा. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा =5 उसमें मैं 5 और ऐड करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है, और शीट का जो वैल्यू थी 56, ठीक है, तो मैं इस पर क्लिक करती हूँ. अब आप देखो यहाँ पे क्या आया, sheet4.A2. ओके. The hyperlink in Calc can be used to jump from one sheet to another, to jump from one sheet to website, to jump from one section of the sheet to another section. All of the above? Yes, all of the above. Okay. Hyperlink in Calc can be either relative or absolute. Yes, that's true. The Punjabi started. Okay, absolute hyperlink will stop working only if the target is moved. Yes, that's true. A relative hyperlink will stop working only if target is moved. That is false. If you have two spreadsheets in the same folder linked to each other and you move the entire folder to new location, तो relative hyperlink work करता है, ठीक है, it works, but absolute will not work. Hyperlink option is in insert menu. Hyperlink icon is present on the standard toolbar. Hyperlink dialog box shows dash types of hyperlink on the left side. 4 types. 4 types के होते हैं ना, देखो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Insert, then we have hyperlink. See, internet, mail and news, document and new document. 4 types of hyperlink. All right. We can link text in the spreadsheet to any web URL. Yes, still true. Hyperlink dialog box in Calc shows dash option on the left hand side. Internet, document, new document, ये सारे options होते हैं, भी देखे थे हमने. In Calc, link to external data is present in tools menu में था या कौन सी menu में था? Insert menu में था. Insert menu में होगा. ओहो. Spreadsheet software allows the user to share the workbook. Yes. Several users can access shared workbook simultaneously. Yes. Suman and her friend want to work together in a worksheet, so they can do by sharing the worksheet. देखो एक साथ अगर आपको काम करना है तो आपको उसको शेयर करना पड़ेगा, लिंक नहीं करना होता, ठीक है. लिंक करने से क्या होता है कि आप उसका डेटा अपनी दूसरी शीट में यूज़ कर रहे हो. दैट्स इट. और कैल्क, इन कैल्क शेयर डॉक्यूमेंट ऑप्शन इज इन टूल्स मेन्यू, ठीक है. We cannot unshare a spreadsheet once it is shared. No, that's false. We can always unshare it. After sharing the worksheet, the word dash is then shown on the title bar. जब आप शेयर करते हो ना वर्कशीट, तो शेयर्ड उसके ऊपर के टाइटल बार में ना फाइल नेम से पहले शेयर्ड वर्ड ऐड हो जाता है, ठीक है, तो दैट इज शेयर्ड. शेयर डॉक्यूमेंट इज अवेलेबल इन टूल्स मेन्यू. फॉलोइंग फीचर आर नोन टू बी डिसेबल इन शेयर डॉक्यूमेंट. कौन कौन से चेंजेस जैसे ये होते हैं, एडिट वाले भी होते हैं, इंसर्ट वाला भी होता है, ये सारे होते हैं. ऑल ऑफ द अबव इसका आंसर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बटन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स विच अपीयर ड्यूरिंग सेविंग द शेयर्ड वर्कशीट. keep mind, keep other, keep all mind. This I think all of the above. Any cell modified by other user in the shared worksheet are shown with a red border. ठीक है, रेड कलर का बॉर्डर होता है. Which feature in can help to see the changes made by others? Record changes. ठीक है. To activate the record changes option, you have to go to edit changes record. फाइल में नहीं था, एडिट मेन्यू में था. ठीक है. A dash colored border appears around the cell when the changes are made in the shell. तो रेड कलर का बॉर्डर होता है ना. A deleted column or row in the shared spreadsheet, अगर कोई मान लो डिलीट कर देता है, ठीक है, तो आप कैसे करोगे उसको? काफ़ी सॉलिड उसका बॉर्डर होता है, हैवी बॉर्डर, नॉट सॉलिड, हैवी बॉर्डर. Record changes option in calc help you to know record changes will help you to know that which cell were being edited. ठीक है. The following changes are not recorded in shared worksheet. Cell formatting features ये नहीं होते. We can add a comment regarding any change made in the spreadsheet by going to edit changes comment. एडिट मेन्यू में था, हमने देखा था ये अभी. सो जो मैंने आपको बताया ना 4-5 ऑप्शन, 3 ही मेन्यू थे, एडिट मेन्यू, टूल्स मेन्यू, डेटा मेन्यू, उनमें याद कर लो ढंग से. आफ्टर एडिंग कमेंट टू द चेंज सेल ऑफ द शेयर वर्कशीट यू कैन सी इट बाय होवरिंग द माउस ओवर द माउस. यस, होवर करेंगे तो हमें कमेंट नजर आएगा. अनिल इज द ऑथर ऑफ शेयर वर्कशीट, सो ही हैज़ द राइट टू एक्सेप्ट एंड रिजेक्ट द चेंजेस. यस, एक्सेप्ट रिजेक्ट चेंजेस डायलॉग बॉक्स कैन बी ओपन बाय एडिट मेन्यू, चेंजेस, एक्सेप्ट एंड रिजेक्ट. ठीक है. वर्कशीट कैन बी मर्ज फ्रॉम एडिट मेन्यू. एडिट मेन्यू में था ना मर्ज वाला. ठीक है. व्हेन शेयरिंग वर्कशीट ऑथर्स मे फॉरगेट टू रिकॉर्ड द चेंजेस दे मेक. कैन फाइंड द चेंजेस बाय कंपेयरिंग द वर्कशीट्स. ये हमने कल किया था. एडिटेड वर्कशीट कैन बी कंपेयर्ड विद द ओरिजिनल वर्कशीट बाय एडिट कंपेयर डॉक्यूमेंट. ये भी एडिट मेन्यू में था. डैश इज अ सेव सीक्वेंस ऑफ कमांड्स और कीस्ट्रो डाटा स्टोर्ड फॉर डेटा यूज. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैक्रोस. ये आप लर्न कर लो यहाँ से. ठीक है. मैक्रोस आर स्पेशली यूजफुल टू रिपीट द टास्क. और टूल्स को रिकॉर्ड करने, मैक्रोस को रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए यू हैव टू गो टू टूल्स, मैक्रोस, रिकॉर्ड मैक्रो. ये मत करना, टूल्स रिकॉर्ड, रिकॉर्ड मैक्रो, टूल्स, मैक्रोस, रिकॉर्ड मैक्रो. ये देखो, यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग बटन टू स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ द मैक्रो. ये ना. ठीक है. हमें कहाँ पे आ गए? ये इसी वाले पे कर रहे थे हम. रिफ्रेश हो गया ये. ये अलग कर रहे थे, राइट. टू एडिट मैक्रो यू हैव टू गो टू टूल्स, मैक्रोज, एडिट मैक्रोज. तो ये भी आपका इसमें ही है. आई थिंक ये एडिट मेन्यू में, एडिट मैक्रोज में, एडिट मैक्रोज एक बार देख लेते हैं. टूल्स में है. फंक्शन नेम इन कैल्क आर नॉट केस सेंसिटिव. दैट इज़ फॉल्स. फंक्शन नेम केस सेंसिटिव नहीं होते. ओके, फाइन. सो वी हैव डन द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फ्रॉम 3 साइट्स. आई होप आपको सारा कुछ क्लियर हो गया होगा. फिर भी अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं. और एनसीईआरटी की बुक को आप थोरोली पढ़ना. जो भी मैंने आपको बताया, दे विल ऑल हेल्प यू टू स्कोर फुल मार्क्स इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. उससे ज़्यादा आपको करने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. सो आई होप आपको ये सब क्लियर है एंड यू आर रियली वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर दिस particular video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.